Guys, where are we going? Missouri! Anyway, so shut up! So we've just started from CP and we got stopped. इसकी क्या प्रॉब्लम? We got fined.
वो तो अपनी टिकटॉक बना रही है.
TikTok नहीं बना रहे. We got stopped by the police guy, the traffic police guy, because there's a fancy number plate on our car. हमें ट्रैफिक
और फाइन काट देता, वो तो बैन हो चुका है. उसके बाद ये लोग टिकटॉक बना रहे हैं.
हाँ, तो हमें ना भैया हमें पुलिस वालों ने पकड़ लिया था बिकॉज हमारी फैंसी नंबर प्लेट है
और पीछे
और 5,000
फाइन भी बताओ कितने का.
5,000 का फाइन है. सो गाइस अगर बाय एनी चांस आपकी
कैसे ये भी
अगर अंकल के बड़े भाई साहब सब इंस्पेक्टर नहीं होते तो आज
हम 5,000 रुपए दे रहे होते.
तो आज हम 5,000 रुपए दे रहे होते.
और हमें निकलने से पहले चूना लग रहा था. और पीछे हमारी फिल्म्स भी है ब्लैक वाली और वो खींच रहे थे बिकॉज हमारी गाड़ी में अल्कोहल भी है. तो वो 10,000 तो निकालते हैं ना भैया. बिल्कुल सही बोला मैंने.
निकलने नहीं दी.
और फिर उन्होंने मेरा कैमरा भी पकड़ लिया. तो बेसिकली उनको लगा कि मैं
टिकटॉक बना रहे हैं कैमरा में.
और हम कैमरा में व्लॉग कर रही थी. उन्होंने बोला मैम ये अलाउड नहीं है बिकॉज हम ऑब्वियसली उनको लगा कि हम उनकी ड्यूटी रिकॉर्ड कर रहे हैं, विच इज ऑब्वियसली नॉट ट्रू. हम स्टूपिड नहीं है बट हम बच गए हैं फाइन देने से अब. और अब हम निकल गए हैं. We should be reaching Missouri by 3 p.m.
Yes.
That's our target. And yeah, so I'll see you guys later. Also, I have to tell you a story. मैं सुबह ATM गई. भैया कहीं ATM होना तो बीच में रोक देना. मैं सुबह ATM गई और मेरे दोनों बैंक से 5-5 हज़ार रुपए डेबिट हो गए लेकिन पैसे नहीं निकले. So now I have to stop at an ATM and get more money. Until then, bye. See you guys in Missouri. Okay, so we're en route Dehradun now.
Yeah.
It's 2 hours away. And yeah, so you guys don't need a COVID test to enter Uttarakhand anymore. Yeah. But yeah, if you have to enter Uttarakhand, there is a checking point where you have to submit a form. You
have to submit the application number of the e-pass.
Okay, so you submit the application number of the e-pass which you fill online. It's a long form, so make sure you do it before you leave. And after this you get checking at the Dehradun entry, which is also another checkpoint where you give them the e-token that they give you. And then you can enter Uttarakhand without a COVID test. So in case you're planning to travel, you should know everything that's going around here. And I just wanted to let you guys know that there is no khachad pachad if you want to travel, and you can definitely come. And now I'll see you once we reach Dehradun maybe, or directly in Missouri. Hi guys, we just checked in after a long journey. We literally just started off at 8 a.m. From Delhi, and we stopped quite a few times in the middle because we had to stop at the Uttarakhand border, then we had to stop at the Dehradun border because of some e-pass that you have to show. And then we stopped at a cafe to just chill, eat something. And then we had to pick somebody up from Dehradun. Now we're finally in Missouri. The hills feel so good. I'm traveling after 8 months, more than 8 months I feel. The last time I went somewhere was Pushkar in March, and we finally checked in. We've actually checked in Ramada. I'll just show you my room. It's a beautiful room. Okay, so let's begin with our room tour. This is the washroom. I'm wearing this squat set by Punk Clothing. This is the shower. The interiors of the room are pretty vintage, so I really like it. I love the parrot green tone that it has. It has this lovely pillow. The bed is huge. There's my suitcase right there. I have 2 suitcases. You know the life of a blogger. This is a dressing table. My makeup and skincare is here. There's a lot of food here, which I can't wait to eat because I'm super tired. I love the chairs. They're vintage. They're again vintage and super nice. I really like the curtains as well. I am not very happy about the view that I've got, but I guess we'll have to deal with it. And yeah, we had a long journey. We actually had to stop at two places, once at Uttarakhand border and the other time at the Dehradun border, and we had to show them some e-pass for entering, and you have to basically fill the form online. It's a long form, and they stop the cars right there. It's just a 2-minute walk. You give the e-pass and then you can easily move. Then we actually had to get inside Dehradun city to pick somebody up. We picked them up, then we stopped in the middle of the hills to get a few pictures clicked, and now we finally checked in Ramada, Mussoorie. It's right off the mall road. As soon as you enter, you take the first left and it's right there, and I can't wait to start chilling and vacationing. Today is kind of a free day. We're just having high tea lunch after this, and then we're having dinner. I can't wait to start drinking and chilling, and yeah, I'll catch you guys for my next update. Bye. But this camera is so good for vlogging, but it's not good for pictures at all. Hi guys, we are ready, and we have
She means Nishtha is ready.
Nitika is here trying to get ready.
Yes.
What are you doing, Nitika? And can you explain your outfit to us? We just want a whole.
It's like a kimono, and don't ask me where did I buy it from because it's from Shein.
Shein just got banned and we are all very sad. That reminds me. Wait. In case you haven't watched my video about alternatives to Shein,
Oh boys.
I did a video on the best alternatives to Shein. All the Instagram stores, vintage stores, thrift stores that I shop from. I'm gonna put the link right here, and let's get back to Nitika's outfit now. Yeah, so explain us a kimono from Shein. A kimono from Shein.
So that's my outfit. And what do you want me to explain about it?
Yeah, how you accessorizing it?
So I'm accessorizing it with gold jewelry with a touch of yellow in it. And I think I would like to go with the bun only. What do you say?
Yeah, I think it looks good.
Yes.
Japanese schoolgirl way.
Yes.
Now let me check about Shrishti.
No, control kar
Are you? कि तेरी नजर का कसूर कि शराब भी हाय say hi. Hello. Hey guys, it's 7:30 a.m. We were supposed to wake up at 6 for a trek. This trek is very short. It's 40 minutes up and down, and I was feeling very lazy, but I had to get up, and now we're walking through this beautiful trek to go to the Lovers Point, which is apparently the highest point in Mussoorie and a very pretty point. And yeah, I'm just excited, and I'm just gonna add a few jungle rules after this video. You guys can know the best jungle rules that you're supposed to follow if you go for a trek. So I'll see you guys later. Bye.
150 रूम स्वीट्स सारे किंग्स रह रहे हैं सवॉय में, एंड दे टू हैव अ बेल जो 5 in the morning बज रहा है. आइडिया लाइक क्यों वो बेल बज रहा है 5 in the morning?
योगा करने के लिए.
19th century की बात कर रहा हूँ.
योगा तो करते होंगे फिर भी.
दे आर किंग्स, तो मतलब उनको बता नहीं सकता दिस इज टाइम टू वेक अप या फिर योगा कर लीजिए कुछ भी. तो दे ऑलवेज
tell them.
पर्सनल दरबान होते थे. अगर कुछ मैसेज भी देना है तो उनके सिक्योरिटी गार्ड को आपको देना है, देन ही से टू द किंग और क्वीन. तो आइडिया 5 in the morning को बेल क्यों बजा रहे हैं?
नहीं.
एवरीवन इज हैप्पी, मतलब ठीक है, वेरी गुड.
सब परेशान हो तुझे.
अल्कोहल पीने के लिए.
So there was a writer called John Lang. उन्होंने quotation लिखा था बेल पे.
Oh.
The quotation था the pious would wake up and say their prayers, and then pious would go back to their own beds.
What is piles?
So उस टाइम क्या होता था?
Piles
5 in the morning वो लोग क्या करते थे?
अरे what is that?
Night.
You will have to repeat the.
Okay.
What is the pious?
तो prayers करते हैं basically morning में. Okay. हाँ.
Oh.
तो 5 in the morning जो बेल बज रहा है, द पायर्स वुड वेक अप एंड से द प्रेयर्स एंड द अनपायर्स वुड गो बैक टू देयर ओन रूम्स। तो वो जो पार्टी होता था वो 2 बजे के आसपास तक होता था पूरा रात भर। देन दे यूज्ड टू लाइक स्वैप देयर वाइफ्स, कोई किसी के रूम में चला गया, कोई किसी के रूम में चला गया।
वाइफ स्विचिंग
5 in the morning इट वाज अ सेफ्टी कॉल। अभी भी अपने अपने रूम में चले जाए, अदरवाइज
वरना फंसोगे।
तो 5 in the morning सेफ्टी कॉल था।
ओह शिट।
सो मसूरी मतलब इतना नॉटी था उस टाइम।
ओह
लास वेगस। इवन आपका जो मॉल रोड है, इफ यू सी वहाँ पर मसूरी लाइब्रेरी लिखा है, एस्टैब्लिश्ड इन 1843। तो जो सबसे कोने वाला जो शॉप है ए कुमार्स, जो अभी केमिस्ट शॉप है, इट यूज टू बी बियर शॉप, और बाकी जितनी भी शॉप्स थी दे वर किसिंग स्टॉल्स। सो
किसिंग बूथ
1 rupee a beer,
3
5 rupees a kiss। तो ये 90s 40s के आसपास तक चला है पूरा।
ये स्टोरी आपको किसने सुनाई है? आप
ये स्टोरीज रियल भी है। जो वुडस्टॉक है वहाँ पर काफ़ी लंबे टाइम तक ये हुआ है।
माउंटेन मैनर्स जो होती है, लाइक वी हैव टू वॉक इन अ सिंगल पाथ। लाइक जंगल में ऐसा होता है कि अगर आप ऐसे चढ़ने लग जाओगे तो एक और रास्ता बन जाएगा। तो अगर आप मतलब हम लोग ग्रुप में हैं और सब अलग अलग रास्ते से गए तो 6 रास्ते ऐसे ही बन जाएंगे। तो किसी को भी कन्फ्यूजन होगा एक पाथ चूज़ करने में ना। सेकेंड थिंग वी हैव टू कीप मतलब साइलेंट रहना है हमें। ऐसा बोला जाता है कि लेट्स द बर्ड मेक नॉइज, हम लोग शांत रहते हैं। देन थर्ड थिंग इज़ आपको ये लंबे ट्रैक में काम आएगा। अगर सामने से कोई भी आता है ना तो उसको एक ग्रीट करना चाहिए और एक स्माइली फेस से ना उसको करना। स्माइल ऐसा बोला जाता है, स्माइल स्पीक्स 1000 वर्ड्स। तो ग्रीट करके उससे बात करनी चाहिए। बात इसलिए करनी चाहिए बिकॉज उसी को उस रास्ते का पता है, और उससे कुछ बात करोगे तो वो बताएगा कि आगे क्या पता रोड ही ना हो, क्या पता टाइगर घूम रहा हो, तो वो बताएगा आपको। अगर आप उसको इग्नोर करोगे तो वो भी आपको इग्नोर करके चला जाएगा। ये आपके बड़े ट्रैक में काम आएगा। बाकी हम कुछ प्लास्टिक्स नहीं छोड़ेंगे और हम लोग जंगल से कुछ उठाएंगे नहीं। कुछ लोगों की आदत होती है कि ये अच्छा लग रहा है यार, इसको बैग में रख के घर लेके चला गया। मतलब जो जंगल में है उसको जंगल में ही रहने दो, नहीं तो उसकी ब्यूटी ख़राब हो जाएगी हमारे जंगल की। बाकी हम लोग किसी की आदत ये भी होती है कि ऐसे पत्थर नीचे फेंक के चल रहे हैं ना, तो कुछ ग्राउंड वेलिंग बर्ड्स होती है जो ग्राउंड में अंडे देती है। जैसे खलीज फेजेंट्स अभी दिखी थी नीचे 3-4, वो ग्राउंड में अंडे देती है, तो उनके अंडे टूट सकते हैं क्योंकि काफ़ी फोर्स से जाता है ग्रेविटी के उससे ना।
तो पीपल वॉकिंग अंडर यू, आपने ऊपर से गिराया है तो नीचे वालों के सर पे पड़ेगा।
ओके
ओके चलिए फिर।
चलो।
सो लीव नो ट्रेस।
बड़े
मसूरी में जो स्पीशीज ऑफ मतलब टोटल अगर बात करें इंडियन सबकॉन्टिनेंट में, तो बर्ड ऑफ स्पीशीज जो है वो 1210 है। उसमें से जो 710 स्पीशीज हैं वो उत्तराखंड में मिलती है। तो मैक्सिमम वो बर्ड वॉचर्स उत्तराखंड ज़रूर विजिट करते हैं।
आप कंफर्टेबल हो जाओगे।
Which tree is it?
Because they provide
सो इसको पॉपुलरली नोन से सेडार बोलते हैं। इसका लीव्स जो है इट्स काइंड ऑफ अ गुड लक। इसे मैरिजेस में भी यूज़ करते हैं विलेजेस में। तो ये टेम्परेचर यहाँ पर 5 डिग्री सेल्सियस का अलग फ़र्क है आपके मॉल रोड से अगर हम लोग बात करें। तो इसमें बेस्ट जो है, इसमें देवदार ऑयल जो होता है वो डैंड्रफ क्योर करता है, वो भी काफ़ी लोग यूज़ करते हैं। ये वाला वुड ब्रिटिश टाइम पे काफ़ी यूज़ हुआ है। इफ यू सी दोज माउंटेन्स वो ब्राउनिश दिख रहे हैं पूरे। तो ये पूरे पैक थे देवदार से इन 1840s के आसपास, बट अभी पूरे ख़त्म है क्योंकि 1840s में देयर वाज अ ब्रिटिश गाय, उन्होंने पूरे पेड़ काट के ऋषिकेश पास किए थे बिकॉज ब्रिटिशर्स वर प्लानिंग रेलवेज फ्रॉम ऋषिकेश टू कोलकाता। तो फर्स्ट जो वुडन स्लीपर्स जो बिछे थे देवर ऑफ देवदार्स, क्योंकि ये पानी में भी ख़राब नहीं होता। मतलब पानी में भी ठीक
It
करता
is used for odor also, ना? कहीं गंदा smell
है। हाँ,
है
उसके लिए
तो
भी यूज़ करते हैं।
Okay, बैटिंग। But view बहुत अच्छा आ रहा है यहाँ से। थोड़ा सा
इंस्ट्रूमेंट है जो मम्मी लोग यूज़ करती है पहाड़ में बच्चों को। ऐसा अलाउ होता, मतलब दे लाइक ऑल फ्रॉम पंजाब मैक्सिमम। तो पंजाबीज यू नो।
we know.
तो मतलब पहली बात होता था वो कल मिल रहे हैं इतने बजे, ठीक है।
तो आप अपने रोमांस के बारे में बताना चाहोगे YouTube पे?
कभी तो रस्सी डाल के निकालना पड़ता था।
There was a incident. मैं मतलब एक बर्थडे था एक लड़की का। सो देयर वाज अ गर्ल कॉल्ड श्रुति। मैं उसके बर्थडे में गया। तो पूरा ग्रुप था मतलब लड़कियों का, एमई वाला 7 to 8 बॉयज। तो हम लोग उनका जो डोमेट्री था हम लोग वहाँ चल गए। तो जैसे हम लोग ऊपर गए और उनका जो डॉम इंचार्ज थे वो आ गए लेडी। तो लड़कियों ने क्या किया, हमें सीधा नीचे धक्का दिया। हम नीचे गए तो पूरा जो नेटल का झाड़ था पूरा वो था। स्कूल में अगले दिन मतलब बताने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ी कौन बंक पे गया था, क्योंकि हमारे पूरे फेस से लेके पूरे बॉडी में पिंपल्स थे छोटे छोटे।
Oh my god. So guys, we're finally at the Lovers Point. This is a very pretty point. If you see, there's this line there which distinguishes between the blue and there's a subtle orange. It's called the winter line, which can only and only be witnessed in Mussoorie and Switzerland, in the entire world. Basically, the dust from Dehradun settles in the air and the atmosphere, and then it compresses, which basically causes a sunset that has definite lines. So it has orange and then it has blue in clear, and it starts from around October. You can come here and watch it. And Mussoorie has also started doing a festival around it. I don't know if it'll happen this time because of COVID, but they have like a proper festival and performances and food and cultural events only around the winter line, because it's a celebration that they witness it apart from Switzerland. And if I get to see it in the evening, I will definitely record it and put it in the vlog, and I will catch you once I am back. Oh my god, there's this cow which is watching me, and they're not very friendly. So
मैं कैसे करूँ मैं ऐसे?
वो शटर उड़ाएंगे. 3, 2. मैं जंप कर रही हूँ. 3, 2, 1.
Oh, again.
Hi guys, so ये बीच में लाइन क्या आ रही है? So I'm wearing this super pretty white dress. This bag was not supposed to be worn with this. This is the only bag that I'm carrying, so I have no other option. I'm also wearing a yellow mustard beret. I absolutely love Victorian clothing. I love the color of this dress. It has tiny triangular motifs, and we're just going for a property tour. We're gonna click a few pictures and yeah, then go to the mall road maybe and have fun and have Tibetan momos and food. And I'm super excited, making a lot of reels for you guys. So in case you don't follow me on Instagram, my handle is The Dramatic Diva. Hey guys, so we were shooting throughout the day. So I finally changed into another outfit. So this is a lilac short set with a corset, a very beautiful corset that I bought from a store online. It's a thrift store on Instagram. I am wearing boots from Charles & Keith. We've actually shifted to a valley facing room. So this is a very vintage, super pretty room that I really love. I love the shades of rust and this entire brick wall behind, as well as the dressing table is my favorite part, because oh my god, look at that vintage piece. I mean, this is one of those rooms that I want to create for my own self. Pretty, really pretty. And now we're going for another shoot, and then we move to the mall road and chill for a bit. You can actually just see my makeup as well. I do not know why there's a black line. Can you see my makeup? Not too much, not too less. The perfect combination. And yeah, I'll catch you guys once we go to the mall road, and I'll show you the winter line from a cafe. It's a very pretty winter line. You will probably love it.
Like it's actually a 2-minute walk.
बोलता रहेगा ना तू मेरे व्लॉग में. 2 मिनट तो मुझे. अच्छा guys, मेरा भी नाम क्या जाएगा?
Little Llama Cafe.
एक पिज्जा मंगा लो.
हाँ, वेज है ना?
लिटिल लामा कैफे क्विक बता दो उसके बारे में यार प्लीज, बिकॉज मुझे नहीं पता.
यार अभी मैं भी उनसे पहले पूछ के फिर इन्फॉर्मेशन दूंगी.
डिस्कवरी चैनल है.
Tibetan food के लिए तो है. This is also for Tibetan food, and desserts I've heard is good. Yeah.
This is basically one of the more accessible cafes. Okay. The parking for Mussoorie on the Picture Palace side is hardly 100 meters इसके आगे. So it also makes it very accessible कि अगर आपको गाड़ी पार्क करके तुरंत कुछ खाना है before heading out और ऊपर, उसके लिए convenient है. And they've got multiple cuisines. तो pizzas भी हैं and Tibetan भी है and आपके desserts भी अच्छे हैं. Before and after a meal.
अच्छा, so guys, I will try out Little Lamba Cafe and give you the best reviews after. I am okay with anything. To repeat the order.
One ginger beer, ice hibiscus tea, little ice, hazelnut latte for you. Iced coffee with hazelnut, no sugar. White pizza, chicken, fresh veggie pizza, chicken momo steam, 1 penne mixed sauce veg, and 1 piri piri fries.
So Lona, go two. Just take 2 pictures.
It's not a vacation. I will chill when it's a vacation. Food. Shit! My lipstick. Guys, this is the mask. That my lipstick is entirely spoiled. But do you remember I told you about this winter line that I was about to show you? So here it is, and what we basically have to take the cable car to the Gun Hill point, and this is the best place from where you can see the winter line in its best possible way. And I'm gonna show you the view from here. It's beautiful. Yeah. Yes. What is this coolness? भैया क्या कर रहे हो आप? ये है क्या? तंदूरी चाय anyone?
I want to record it. I don't have it.
I am recording it.
तो एक और बनवा दे.
We are taking 2. ले ले. Guys, I know I look really disgusting, but my day has actually started super late. It's 12 p.m. I got really sick last night because of, I think, the cold, and I didn't expect Mussoorie to be this cold. So I went pretty high up the hill wearing practically a cardigan, that's it. And yeah, I think it affected me a lot more than I thought it would. And I feel like death, but it's a new day. And we're going to get ready now. I feel a little better and fresh, and I'm gonna change my I'm gonna take a bath, change into my most favorite outfit of this trip, and I can't wait to show you. My face is fucking bloated, but let's just hope for the best. And yeah, so I will see you guys once I am ready. So I'm wearing this beautiful shirt by a designer called Tussi Mussi. It has amazing flowers, a flower pattern on it, and I'm wearing this tied knot skirt from Zara, which is in. It's kind of loose to me right now because I was obviously sick last night, so I'm not bloated at all. I feel very weak and thin. So this skirt is an extra small, but it feels loose to me. This shirt also comes with this matching set of rubber bands, and this choker is from Shein. Back then Shein was not banned. I was just giving you a lowdown of what I'm wearing, and I'm gonna go click pictures now and then head for breakfast, and I'll see you guys later in the evening. Hi guys, say hi to Daku Mangal Singh. Hi. Since I got unwell yesterday, we've come to the highest point of Mussoorie called Landor. And I am completely covered in a sweater. It's not even that cold, like people are wearing dresses and skirts, but I feel really, really cold. So I am completely covered in a sweater, a coat, a shawl, a mask, jeans and shoes. So we've come to the Landor Bakehouse, which is slightly on the top, and this is how it looks. It's a very vintage British, it's a very vintage British cafe, and it looks very, 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 very warm. I love how it is. And they also have this car which says we'll start deliveries as soon as our vehicle is fixed. It's a photo op, and now we'll go inside and pick what we want to eat. So there's also a Cafe Ivy right below this, and it's only taking takeaways because of a COVID lockdown. Mussoorie has a COVID lockdown every Wednesday, so in case you're here, just know that the entire Mall Road is shut, and any of the cafes that you want to go usually just do takeaways. So that is one cafe I want to try, but I couldn't. And now we're at the bakehouse, and I'm going to choose what I want to eat and get back to you. What's a coconut cheesecake? Sounds very interesting.
You should try. But I don't know if it's available.
Yeah, it is.
नहीं, that is there.
Over there, but that's the.
Cool लग रहा है.
अभी क्रॉस करके आए हैं, बहुत अमेजिंग है.
वो बंद है.
खुला ना.
तो हम वहाँ भी जा सकते थे. हम वहाँ क्यों नहीं गए?
वीडियोस में.
Oh, sorry. So guys, there's this Prakash store right next to the bakehouse, Landau Bakehouse. They make customized, like they make homemade in-store chutneys, cheese and jams. I just picked up Parmesan cheese and cheddar cheese, and now we're leaving for, where are we leaving?
We're going to Char Dukan via Lal Tibba and the Landau Cemetery. And the cemetery has graves as old as 200 years old.
So we are leaving for Char Dukan, Lal Tibba and the cemetery, the Landau Cemetery, which has graves as old as 200 years old.
Instagram में very very.
And I'm excited. समझाओ हम कहाँ आए हैं?
Okay, so this is Char Dukan. This is known as Char Dukan is because there are like 5 shops.
Okay, so this
Starting में
is.
जब point start हुआ
But
था,
isn't
so it was
shouldn't
4
that be
shops.
called पांच दुकान?
नहीं, starting में 4 दुकान था. Now
हाँ.
it is
4 shops.
5 हुई है.
Oh,
अब 5 हुई. पहले 4 थे starting. So this place is famous for like Anglo-Indian food. So they don't call it pakoda. They have pakoras.
pakoras. Oh. So we are at Char Dukan, which has 5 shops now. And here's Srishti. We're ordering some chicken momos and chai, the kadak chai that I wanted to have, finally having it. And yeah, it's in Landor. It's 4 kilometers.
Milk or without milk?
With milk.
With milk, no?
So this is Landor. It's 3 kilometers from Mussoorie uphill. And there's also Cafe Ivy here, which has a takeaway right now because of the Wednesday lockdown that Mussoorie has.
There's a church also next to it.
So there is a church also here. What church?
St. Paul.
St. Paul Church. Okay.
Built in 1840s.
1840s. तो ये सब ब्रिटिशर्स के टाइम का है.
Yeah. So ये सारे Britishers के time पे. So it was.
एक सेकंड, sorry. I'll share. Won't have it known. So can we have? I can have momos. Again, I mean sharing with everyone. And one chai. Because I'm not.
भैया हनी जिंजर लेमन टी है.
बन जाएगी कितने वाली?
कौन-कौन है हनी जिंजर लेमन वाला?
मैं नहीं हूँ. मैं कड़क चाय वाली हूँ.
मेरे को नहीं पता यार, हम ऊपर बैठे. अभी हम 3 हैं.
So guys, I'm gonna get back to you because now we're enjoying our food, Maggi, momos and chai, and I'll get back to you. We're leaving for Delhi tomorrow. It's been a great trip with Ramada, and I will catch you guys later. खाना इतना अच्छा फोटोग्राफी कैसे करते हो? I can't photograph food at all. How does it taste, Shrishti? Can you give us a review about Char Dukan?
It's very delicious. Where is my Maggie?
Yeah.
Everybody is looking for their Maggie. Now we'll see how Smriti likes it.
बहुत गर्म है.
हाँ, we can see how hot it is because उसमें से धुआं निकल रहा है.
यहाँ बैठो.
और नीचे से भी जल रहा है तो संभाल.
मैं नहीं खा. Much struggle.
अरे don't. अच्छा ठीक है. इतनी बड़ी बाइट
मैगी ऐसे ही खाते हैं.
मैं नहीं खा सकती.
It's actually very nice.
भाई आपकी मैगी अप्रूव हो चुकी है, अब आप YouTube पे पॉपुलर हो जाओगे.
जब हिमालय दिखता तो लाल दिखता है एकदम क्लैरिटी पर
जो तुम्हारे स्नो क्लैड पीक्स है ना, इफ इट्स अ क्लियर मॉर्निंग तो वो बिल्कुल आपको ऑरेंज दिखेंगे. But that is you have to come at sunrise, which is not everyone's cup of tea.
No, not mine. Not mine. No.
नहीं ब्रो, जो ट्रैक करके आते हैं वो आते ही हैं.
हाँ. नहीं हम भी एक बार आए थे. We left Dehradun at 4 AM.
She's drinking karak chai.
पहुंच गए थे.
I also tried. It is amazing. I love karak chai. Cheers.
हाँ. उधर से भी होके आ
I'm
गए.
a chai person. Which person are you? Comment down below. Chai or tea? Chai or tea? Chai or coffee?
बाकी वैसा कुछ नहीं.
I love chai. Nitika, you a coffee or a chai person?
Coffee person.
You?
Cold beverages कोई भी हो.
Cold.
Yes.
तो
cold.
क्या अभी हमें जिंजर एल मिलेगा भैया यहाँ पे? कोक?
नहीं. फ्रेश आइस टी जो फ्रेश बनती है. नहीं अभी नहीं, अभी तो मैं पी
आप
रहा हूँ.
what kind of person
मैं
are you?
वैसे बता रहा हूँ.
चाय, प्रॉपर चाय पर्सन.
Which chai are you drinking?
जिंजर लेमन हनी टी.
प्लेन चीज मैगी सामने.
Supposed to be very good ना यहाँ की.
Yeah, it is really nice. Must try.
And यहाँ पे
Thank you.
so we've got
And now
plain
we are
cheese.
having plain cheese Maggie.
Chalo. Hey guys, so I just woke up early today. I feel really good and I feel at peace because I am not well. I'm not unwell anymore. We actually just shot a picnic setup in the morning. I was wearing a very pretty corset. I'm gonna put a picture here. I just took a bath, got ready for leaving. We're gonna stop at a cafe in Dehradun called the Cafe Orchard. I want to try the food out there. It's Tibetan food, and yeah, I'm feeling fresh AF. I'm gonna go to Delhi, sleep it off, and go to work tomorrow again. In case you enjoyed this vlog, do give it a thumbs up, comment down below in case you want me to do more such vlogs, and please subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell button down below. I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next YouTube video. Hey guys, we're at Cafe Orchard
In Dehradun and I'm really excited. हमने इस कैफे के लिए बहुत मेहनत करी है. बहुत अंदर तक आए हैं हम लोग. So I'm sure that you won't find this cafe on Google Maps.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, so
It'll
you-
take you to a very weird place. I don't know. मतलब अंदर तक तो ला ही नहीं सकता है ना.
So how do you find this cafe and what do you do?
You need a friend who's a local of Dehradun.
Yeah,
you
to
here.
tell you where this cafe is, and it's a super pretty cafe. It was very difficult coming down from Mussoorie because we all got really
Oh my god, it's
sick, motion sickness, and we never get it usually coming downhill. But the ride was so bumpy and so uncomfortable. But we're finally here and we're going to eat, and I'm going to update you about how the food was.